video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, if x times sine cube theta plus y times cos cube theta equals sine theta times cos theta and x sine theta equals y cos theta, find the value of x square plus y square. Basically, we are trying to eliminate theta from the equation. So let's get started without wasting much time. From the second given equation, we have x sine theta equals y cos theta. And from here, we can find the value of sine theta as y over x cos theta. And using this value in the other equation, which is x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals sine theta cos theta, will give us x times y cube over x cube cos cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals y over x cos theta times cos theta. So simplifying it further, we'll get y cube over x square cos cube theta plus y times cos cube theta equals y over x cos square theta. And on the left hand side, we can take y and cos cube theta common. So we'll have y square over x square plus 1 equals y over x cos square theta. And we can cancel out y and cos square on both sides. So we'll be left with cos theta times y square plus x square over x square by taking LCM inside the bracket equals 1 over x. And we can cancel out x on both sides, and which will give us the value of cos theta as x over x square plus y square. Now we can find the value of sine theta. We know that sine theta was equal to y over x times cos theta. So if I substitute the value of cos theta, we'll get y over x times x over x square plus y square. We can cancel out x. So we'll have y over x square plus y square. And now we have the value of sine theta and cos theta. And we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. That means y square over x square plus y square whole square plus x square over x square plus y square whole square equals 1. By taking LCM on the left hand side, we'll get x square plus y square over x square plus y square whole square equals 1. And we can cancel out 1 of x square plus y square. So we'll be left with 1 over x square plus y square equals 1, or x square plus y square is equal to 1. And that's the required result. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.